Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. Today we're going to check out the August Macy's Beauty Box together. If you are not familiar with the Macy's Beauty Box, it is a monthly subscription put out by the Macy's Beauty Department. It is $15 a box. You should get 5 samples in here. Different months are different things. Sometimes it's random Macy's stuff. Sometimes it's a takeover box. We just had a Tony Moly takeover box that was spectacular. I loved it. I can't wait to see what's in this one. And as we go through this box, I would love to hear your comments on these products. If you have used any of these products before, let me know your feedback on those. Do you like them? Did you love them? What did you think about them? Let me know. Also, let me know if you are a Macy's Beauty Box subscriber. How long have you been getting your box? I've been getting mine for a couple years, so a lot of different ones. So we have our tissue paper inside, our pink tissue paper. This is not as tightly wrapped as normal. Usually it's wrapped pretty tightly, but this one is pretty loose. So there's our tissue paper. We do have a coupon for $5 off your next $20 Macy's Beauty purchase. My coupon is good from August 21st to October 22nd, so good long time. My last one's actually still good till the 22nd of this month, so this is good. Well, no, September. This one's good till September. I'll let one of you guys use it. This is for my last month. Feel free to take that QR code or the little coupon code. You have until September 22nd to use that $5 off 20. I'll keep my other one because it's good longer. Let's see what's inside. We have our tissue paper. Again, normally it's tucked in really tightly, but this is just sort of wrapped. And oh my goodness, there's some good stuff in here. Okay, sneak peek. So, whoops, kind of a sneak peek. So there are some usuals with the Macy's Beauty Box. Usually you get 5 samples and a free surprise item. And I say free because it's not included in what they consider the purchase price of the $15. It's a surprise item extra from the 5 sample sizes. Sometimes there's perfume samples in here. There is almost always that coupon. Sometimes it's $10 off 40. This time it was 5 off 20. And this one I am seeing 6 sample products plus our free items, our sample items. So I'm going to say this looks like a scrunchie to me, but I'm going to check it out and see. It's a really pretty blue. And oh, it is cute. It's a scrunchie with a little bow. And it's kind of a waffle cotton. That's really cute. It's like little rabbit ears. Wear hair, look all cute. I have really thin short hair, but I do still use scrunchies from time to time, so I'm sure I will actually use that. All right, so now let's get into the box. I'm kind of really excited. We have a Diana Madison Beauty Rosehip Seed Oil Hydrating Face Sheet Mask. This is going to be a full-size item. Normally you just get samples, but masks are a full-size single product. I want to say the last one of these we got from the same brand was like a $10 mask by itself. So this is just a full face leave-on 15 to 20 minutes mask from Diana Madison. Wow, that's really cool. And I will look and see what the cost is for this and stick it here in the corner for you guys. But we start off with the mask. We got some really good stuff in here. Oh my gosh. Okay. Next we have Lancome, and this is a Genifique little skincare. This is this Genifique Ultimate, and this is a serum from Lancome. So this little bit of Lancome serum has got some value to it too. This is a good size little bottle. I'll put the retail of the full size and the difference in the actual ounces. This is a 7 ml size, so 1/4 of an ounce. That's actually a really good sample size. Super good sample size. So far we have a full size, and we have a really good sample size from Lancome. We have a teeny little foil one from Foreo, and this is a Foreo Supercharged Serum 2.0, and this is just a little 2 ml single use. Well, depending on, you might could get 2 uses out of that, but Foreo Supercharged Serum 2.0 little foil pack. There's still 3 to go. Next one is Peter Thomas Roth, and this is Instant Firm No Filler Primer. So wonderful little primer from Peter Thomas Roth. My sister always claims all the Peter Thomas Roth, so this just goes straight to her. But a really nice little primer. I don't know where to go next. Okay, first MAC, okay? I'm saving the best for last, what I think is the best for last. This is a Hyper Real Fresh Canvas Cream to Foam Cleanser from MAC. And this is a 0.17 ounce. So this is a little sample size, quarter of an ounce, I guess. No, tenth of an ounce, 0.17 ounce. And this is your little squeezy tube. So that's a good little sample. Again, I'll put the full size cost and size and value here in the corner. But our last one, this is from Elemis. We have a trial size of the dynamic resurfacing facial pads. You get 14 of the pads in here. And this is it doesn't say the product size because the ounces, because it's a pad, not a liquid. So you get 14 2.1 inch facial cleansing pads. So this is a week or two, depending on if you need one or two resurfacing facial pads. Now, this is something you will use after you fully cleanse your face. Then you will use the resurfacing. You don't want to use this to remove your makeup or anything, because you're not going to get the purpose of the pad that way, and you'll use more of these than you need to. But if you just wash your face, cleanse it before you put your serums and all that on, use the resurfacing pad, and then you can put your serums on and moisturizer on over that. But we've got some really good stuff. But we got the cleanser, we got a serum, we got 2 serums actually, and we got the resurfacing pad. We got the mask for in between. You could use the mask after you use the resurfacing pad, or just on a different facial day. Plus our super cute little freebie. So $15 for this box, and we got not all samples. We got a full size product, and we got some really good samples besides. 6 total products plus our surprise items. So 7 total products actually. So this was a great box. I hope you guys enjoyed going through this with me. If you did, I'd love for you to hit like, hit subscribe, and if you don't want to miss out on future videos, you can hit that notifications bell. But for now, I want to thank you for joining me, and hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.